Happy Thursday. It's 5:15 right now, and I'm actually having two girlfriends over for mocktails and pizza. It's my first, well, no, it's not my first company because I had Catherine and Allie, but it's like my first little girls' night, and I wanted to show you a quick little apartment update. So this is a little breakfast nook, and we're eventually gonna put a table in here, but for right now, we're having mocktails tonight. We're doing like a little taste test for different mocktails for Megan's baby shower. So I just went ahead and laid some fun stuff out here. And then I'll quickly show you, I still need a couch, but this is the progress right now on the living room area. Looking cute. I don't know where I'm gonna put all my ski stuff when it's not ski season anymore. Finally got all my books. Good to go. And then the bedroom still needs a lot of work. Like that still needs to go somewhere, but here's a quick little update. Yeah, super cute. So anyways, we're gonna have pizza and mocktails. I'm 21 days off the sauce, sober. I'm gonna break it tomorrow because it's St. Patrick's Day, but just wanted to quickly, yeah, give you a little update on what I'm doing and start off this weekend vlog, even though it's Thursday. Guess what? I'm going to spin tomorrow, so I figured I'd just start off with something different. So, it looks so good.
Oh my gosh. So excited.
Oh my gosh, I gotta take a video of this.
Okay, let's put it by the sun.
Oh my gosh, yum.
And watch this Muddle.
Yeah, yum. Looks so good.
Should we like, oh my god, how cute.
That's so cute. We gotta get a picture before the sun sets.
Yes, so we should do a little
like cheersing. Yeah.
Okay, so.
Look at those palm trees, damn!
Ounce oat milk latte with hazelnut. Happy Friday. We don't have time for a breakfast burrito this morning, but just want to say good morning. Happy Friday. It is 8:08 a.m. and I'm currently stuck in traffic in front of East High. This is where High School Musical was filmed, by the way. Fun fact. I'm stuck in traffic out here in front of the school trying to get back to my apartment because I have meetings from 9 to 1, and then I'm meeting up with Hayes for an hour to have lunch, and then finishing my calls from 3 to 4, 5. It's gonna be a fun day. And then we're going out tonight with somebody, and just wanted to kick things off today. Just got done with spin. It was hella hard, and it's Hayes' last one before she leaves for South America tomorrow. So final ride. Anyways, I'm gonna listen to my daily stoic, drink my oat milk latte. It's gonna be a really freaking good day. I can already feel it. So
It makes me so fun. I know.
wave.
Hi.
Hey. Hey. Oh my gosh, look at this fake tan. I fake tanned, obviously, and I actually think it looks pretty good. Look at my legs and stuff. I am just wrapping up work right now. It is literally, you can't see me. It is 4:08. What a freaking day, man. I am heading out right now. We are actually gonna go to Hayes's. That was kind of crazy. It's 51 degrees outside. I love these new sunglasses. I'll link them below. I just got them from Free People. Actually, my little sister bought them for me. How sweet. But we're going over to Hayes's house right now because she is leaving for South America for 4 weeks. South America for 4 weeks and needs help like packing and figuring out how to configure things in her suitcase. So we're gonna run and do that. We had a really nice lunch. I didn't really tell you, but my friend Emily came over for lunch and Hayes, and we had Bud's. If you haven't gone to Bud's in Salt Lake, it is so good. It is a vegan sandwich place in Salt Lake, and it's so freaking good. Just want to give you an update. Hope everyone is having a fabulous St. Patrick's Day. Look at my new camera. I'm just kidding, it's Trace's.
Here's my pants then.
We're packing at Hayes's. Let's see. Okay, we are running late. I'm trying to switch out my purse here because I'm wearing a little tank, black jeans, Nike Dunks, but I'm going out and this lighting's bad, but we'll see in the morning. Bye. Oh, hi. We did it. We did it. Good morning. It's like 10:30. And I'm in my robe yet again. I'm actually having a slow morning. I just had some coffee and we have a plan of attack for today. I'm cleaning out my closet. I just started. I need to just clean my room, clean my apartment, get everything all tidy. Need to go to the grocery store. I'm leaving for North Carolina this Wednesday, so I really don't need that many things from the grocery store. And then I'm gonna walk for a very long time and listen to a podcast. So we'll do a quick little time lapse of me cleaning out my closet because hopefully it'll inspire you. My sister Hayes cleaned out her closet and donated 4 bags. So that's my goal. Like, I need to get rid of so much shit. Like, I have, do you see how many jeans I have? I don't wear a majority of them. So cleaning out all of these jeans, all those pants, all my sweat sets, like, we don't need all of this. So going through this today. Let's get started. quickly give you a little food haul. Okay, so like I said, I'm only gonna be in town for 3 days. I'm leaving on Wednesday to go back to North Carolina. So I just got some things that I'm gonna eat quickly. Kale, bananas that are already ripe, avocado packets for toast. I got 2 green juices. The Hawaiian pear is my favorite from Whole Foods, a turmeric shot, and an apple cider vinegar shot. None of this is really focusing. I'm so sorry. You just have to go with it. Pete's Coffee, the organic dark roast, is really good. And then I got 2 things of tofu. One that has already been marinating, and then one just an extra firm situation. Also got some field roast. These are really good to chuck in like a pasta, which I'll probably do tonight. Gotham Greens pesto. Got more nooch, which is a staple. I got a cucumber. I got an onion. I got spring mix. And these are the best pickles. If you can find these, try them. Bumby's pickles are the best. So I got those. 2 golden potatoes. The creamiest potatoes are golden potatoes. And then I'm out of conditioner. I've got like 4 things left of shampoo per usual. Does that happen to any other girl? So I just needed a thing of conditioner. And then I'm obsessed with the mocktail that I've been making. I made one this afternoon for lunch. It's just this citrus blend and this sweet tangerine Italian soda with lime, and it is literally so good. Can you believe just that was $106? Anyways, we're gonna put all this stuff up now and then make some dinner, do a face mask, kind of get into the Sunday night routine. It's only 6:30, so got plenty of time. So I'm gonna unload all this stuff.